Children's Day Speech 2025. Short Speech. Good morning to everyone. Today I am happy to give a small speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. This special day honors Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He loved children very much and was called Chacha Nehru. Schools organize fun programs and activities on this day. The day reminds us to care for and protect every child. Teachers and parents encourage children to dream big and work hard. Children enjoy games, sweets, and colorful celebrations at day. Children's Day teaches us to importance for the love, kindness, and education. Let us celebrate Children's Day with happiness and joy. Thank you and happy Children's Day to all.